I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to enable low power mode on a MacBook. Step 1. Click the Apple logo at the top of the screen and then click System Settings. Step 2. Click Battery in the Settings menu. Step 3. Click to open the menu associated with low power mode. This is where you can choose when low power mode activates on your MacBook. You can choose to always leave low power mode on. You can choose to use the feature only when your device is running on the battery or only when your MacBook is connected to a power adapter. Your settings will be applied immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.